My name is Curtis Robertson, and I'm looking forward to a healthy future. I love Brain Restore Centers, and I love what they're doing. I slipped and fell on a sidewalk and hit the back of my head on the sidewalk, completely backwards in free fall. That put me out probably 2 to 5 seconds. I felt like it eventually started to affect my speech and definitely my memory. My memory still has terrible issues, but I was to the end of being able to do anything on my own at all. So I Googled this place, and when I walked into this place, I felt like this is where I belong. When I first came here, my balance was terrible. I couldn't even stand on a flat floor. My balance has increased tremendously. That was a terrible issue, and my memory is better. And then the HBOT, you get so relaxed in there and your body gets so saturated with oxygen that you just want to go to sleep. I'm just really glad that I found this place.